Action! Every day, flight controllers catch this train. Hello, all of us.
Thomas, remember, don't be impatient, Thomas.
Guys,
You'll never be as strong and fast
fast
as
scooter.
but you
We
can be
will
a
really useful engine.
Don't
When
let
the
the silly trucks
silly
teach
trucks teach you, there are lots of trucks.
you. Thomas went
We
very
all
hard
hold the
pushing
portion
into
place.
There was
There's also
a
small coach and two strings driver
called
called cranes. Sam Ben makes a Ruby be a driver said. Guys, that's the breakdown train.
That's the breakdown train, he told Thomas.
He told we of us. The cranes lift heavy things, engines and coaches and trucks.
The cranes are for lifting heavy things like engines and coaches and trucks.
One day we are all shunting
Thomas was in the yard.
in the yard. Suddenly, we saw
Suddenly he heard an
engine
engine
whistling.
whistling.
Help! Help! A good train rushed through rushing flies.
The
The engine was James. He was flying. The spike box on fire. They pushed me. On, left the trucks. Still whistling. Help! Help! Poor James has disappeared. I let the teacher's trucks a lesson. Then we all said.
whistling is off the line. The brakes disappeared.
I let the teacher's trucks a lesson. We all said. Soon came the alarm. James is off the line. The breakdown train quickly. We all coupled up to off we went. 빨리 가자.
Hurry, 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 he puffed. He wasn't pretending to be
No,
like
Gordon,
He
he really meant it. But all those trucks are tricks. I hope James is hurt. James's driver, fireman, flew all over the same was head. Never mind, James said, you're so fault. Your own brakes break you. You're saying you're good.
Thomas pushed.
We all pushed the breakdown train alongside
The
James.
breakdown train alongside.
Then he helped the unhurt trucks.
Then he pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way.
Oh dear, oh dear.
They groaned.
Serves you right, serves you right.
Puffed Thomas.
That's how puffing backwards and forwards all afternoon. That's a teacher lesson. That's a teacher lesson. Trucks. I mean, yes it will. Yes it will. They left the broken trucks, the two cranes of James back on the rails. He tried to move, or he couldn't. So Thomas
went back to the shed.
So we are back to help the shed. The fat controller is waiting at
The
the
fat controller was waiting anxiously for
phone.
them. Well,
Well, guys,
Thomas, he said.
he
"I've
said,
heard
I heard all about it, and I'm
all
pleased
about it,
with
and I'm very
this
pleased
of
with
you.
You're a
You're
really
really useful engine. James's harbor proper bricks and a new coat and paint, and tfe52 and Timothy, Thomas, Miss, Max, Ruby, B and Ben, Sam. You also have a own branch line yourself.
James shall have some proper brakes and a new coat of paint, and you shall have a branch line all to yourself.
Oh, thank you, sir, we all said.
Now Thomas is...
Now we are happy as it could be. We are going to, all of us, working in the branch line. I was purchased the top hat. With Thomas and nice Timothy. The pop spanners was all day. It was lonely. Edward and Henry, nice Alfred, and nice Crow in the station.
Edward and Henry stopped quite
Personal
often to
tell the news.
Always in a hurry.
Gordon also heard her say, "Pip pip." We all said, "Pip pip." In return. 오케이, cut. 다음 에피소드 올리자.